Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Again, this is Ricky Avelino. Ayan, so kamusta kayong lahat dyan? Today, ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo is about the advantages and benefits of SSS and, of course, life insurance. Yan, para at least mas marami pa tayong malaman ano ba ang kagandahan nito, ano bang meron dito. Okay? Ano bang advantage nito? At disadvantage nito? At ano ang magandang gawin? Doon natin makikita at malalaman mamaya on the end of the video. Okay? So, first of all, banggitin natin muna ang SSS. Okay? Ang SSS ay isang agency na nagbibigay ng mga benefits din para makatulong sa bawat Pilipino. Okay? So, ano ba ang benefits ng SSS? Magbibigay ako ng 7. May 7 na major benefits ng SSS. Actually, meron akong lists dito na may mga sinulat ako para i-share sa inyo. So, sa mga benefit ng SSS ay sickness benefit. Yan. So, sickness benefit yan, pwede po tayong makakuha ng daily 90% of average daily salary credit. Okay, so daily kapag nagkasakit tayo na hindi tayo makapag-work and na-confine tayo sa hospital ng at least 4 days, bago tayo makakuha ng sickness benefit. Okay? Pero hindi agad-agad yan. So, syempre may proseso. Pero, iano ko muna sa inyo yung overview. Okay? And second benefit of SSS ay maternity benefit. Yes, meron din po siyang maternity benefit. Daily po rin po natin makukuha yan in a certain amount. Depende sa percentage ng ating salary or kung ilan days tayo na-confine. Okay? So, third ay disability benefit. Yan, pwede po yan monthly or lump sum. Okay. Next is retirement benefit. Pwede rin po siyang monthly or lump sum. Okay. Guys, dito sa retirement benefit, minimum dito na matanggap ng mga member ng SSS ay minimum of 1,000 pesos and a maximum of 18,495 per month. So, 18,000 ang maximum. Siyempre, kung titingnan natin, pero banggitin ko muna mga benefits bago ko sabihin ng mga disadvantages or mga cons, at mga comparison. So, meron din po siyang retirement, minimum of 1,000 per month. Matanggap nyo po up to 18,000, depende sa contribution. And meron din po tayong death benefit, monthly or lump sum yan. Okay? And meron din siyang funeral benefit. So, okay din, pampalibing, sa funeral benefit. Pero maximum of lang siya, 20,000 to 40,000. Depending on the contribution. Okay? So, and number 7 ay unemployment benefit. So, yan po yung mga 7 benefits ng SSS. Okay? Medyo himay-himayin natin ng konti para malaman natin, minimum contribution bago tayo makasama sa maging member ng SSS ay 13% of the monthly salary. Okay, with maximum of 25,000 pesos per month. Ang contribution maximum. Yan po yun, And ulitin ko nga, ang pension po ng SSS ay minimum of 1,000. So, minimum of 1,000 pesos and maximum of 18,000, 18.4. So, kung titingnan natin, depende depende yan sa contribution natin. So, kung titingnan natin 1,000 pesos, kung okay na sa yung 1,000 pesos per month na pension, okay. Kung hindi, di magtasan mo ang inyong contribution, pero maximum of 18.4 lang siya, 18.4 per month. So, maximum na yun makukuha mo sa SSS. And normal retirement age bago ka makakuha ng pension is 65 years old ang normal retirement age, Pero merong optional na pwedeng 60 in a certain conditions, Optional po yan. Pero ang kadalasan ay 65 years old. So kung titingnan natin, kung 65 years old, at the age 65, dun ka po pwedeng makakuha ng pension. Okay, so syempre, kung ilang years ka nag-contribute, 65 years old ka pwede makapag-pension, yun isa sa mga cons, parang hindi mo na masyadong ma-enjoy ang yung pinaghirapan, ang contribution mo. Pero at least, meron ka pa rin kahit paano, kaysa naman wala. Okay, so yan po ang benefits ng SSS. Okay? Isa sa mga disadvantages na nakikita ko sa SSS, yes, maganda siya, no? Maganda siya na magkaroon tayo. Pero sa mga disadvantages ay yung fund natin, hindi na siya nadadagdagan. Kung ilan yung total contribution natin, kung binawasan natin yan, talagang mabawasan din. So hanggang sa pakonti yung fund. So yun ang nakikita ko na isa sa mga disadvantage ng SSS. Pero better kung meron ka rin, at least meron ka pa rin contribution. Okay? So punta naman po tayo sa life insurance. Ito, why do you need a life insurance? Okay? Kung gusto nyo mas madami, no, mas malalim, meron ako mga previous videos about life insurance. Why do you need life insurance? Ito, magbigay lang ako ng mga overview din. So, una, to secure your family's financial future. Yes, yan ang pinaka-main natin sa life insurance, to protect your family, to secure your family's financial future. Okay, because it is an income protection. Number 2, accomplish your financial goals. Yes, pwede mo po itong ma-accomplish ang financial goals mo using life insurance. Okay, so marami actually, kung alam mo ang kabisado mong life insurance, maraming benefits yan, maraming advantages. Okay, so that's the second, accomplish your financial goals. Number 3, bring peace of mind. It brings peace of mind. Why? Dahil, of course, you know you're protected. You know your family is protected. So, you have a peace of mind. You know, whatever happens, you are safe, they are protected. Okay? So, number 3 yan. Bring peace of mind. And number 4, save tax. Yes, dahil ang life insurance is a tax-free. No? So, yan po yung pinaka-basic why you need life insurance. So, kung gusto niyo mas malalim, marami pa akong mga previous videos, and dito rin, no, tutuloy ko ano pa yung mga reason why you need life insurance plan. Ulitin ko, why do you need life insurance? Secure your family's financial future, accomplish your financial goals, bring peace of mind, and save tax. Okay, so next, reasons to have a life insurance plan. Okay, ano ba yung mga reasons? Ito, meron mga lists dito. Okay, una, long-term financial goal. Yes, it is a long-term financial goal. Like ko sinasabi, always think long-term, no? Long-term. Hindi yung very short lang. Ngayon lang, bukas, next month, this year, next year. Long term po ating laging plano para just in case or mga preparation natin. Okay, so number 1, reason why you need to have a life insurance is number 1, long term financial goal. Second, protect the child's future. Number 3, loans and liabilities. Yes, loans and liabilities. Diba? Ano ba yung loans and liabilities? Yes, ang loans ay hindi na mamana. Pero, remember, kapag may utang ka, okay, halimbawa ikaw ay parent na may utang ka, meron kang pinamanang property sa iyong anak. Hindi niya mamanang ang utang mo, pero dahil may utang ka, pwedeng madamay ang property na pamamana mo. Okay, so, ang hirap naman nun. Imbis na meron kang pinamana, na wala pa. Okay, so, it solves the loans and liabilities mo. Number 3 reason ng pagkakaroon ng life insurance. Number 4, child's education planning. Yes, kailangan mo magkaroon ng education plan para sa anak mo. Hindi yung ngayon ka lang mag-ready kung bukas na ang pasok ng college or may bukas mo na kailangan. Of course, prepare muna when you don't need it yet. Para at least pag kailangan mo na, meron kang pagkukuhanan. Number 5, dependent spouse. Of course, if you really love your spouse, you should have a life insurance, diba? So she will remember you or he will remember you that you love him or you love her so much. Kaya kumuha ka dahil even you are not present, you provided for them or for him or for her. Diba ang ganda nun? Nasarap nun. They will remember you that you're a good person, that you really love them. Okay? So yan po yung number 5, dependent spouse. And number 6, leave a tax-free legacy. Yes, tax-free po ang life insurance, and pwede mo din po yan magamit for your advantage sa tax, okay? Legally, of course. And number 6, retirement planning. Yan. So, ang ganda nito, you can also use this life insurance policy sa retirement mo. Okay, ang retirement mo, kapag nag-contribute ka, maganda dito, nag-grow siya. Hindi lang yung kailan yung nilagay mo, yun lang makukuha mo, certain percentage lang. Di ba parang lugi pag ganun? So dito, sa life insurance, pag halimbawa, nag-contribute ka ng 100,000, pwede, potential, depende sa policy, depende sa performance ng market, or depende kung trad or VUL. Halimbawa, 100 lang nilagay mo, pwede maging 1 million. Diba? Imagine 100 lang nilagay mo, pero return mo kagad makukuha is 1 million. Yun ang kagandang life insurance. And number 8, of course, savings and investment. Savings and investment meaning, can serve as your savings also as an investment dahil your money is growing. Yes, yun po maganda, your money is growing while you are protected. Diba? From any uncertainties in life. Imagine, ito lang nilagay mo na capital or fund, pero in the long run, in the long term, mag-grow siya. Halimbawa, 100,000 lang nilagay mo total, nag-contribute ka in total in 10 years, and after 15 years, another 10 years, naging 1 million na. Pwede. Ganun ang life insurance. Can serve also as your investment. Diba? You are protected from any uncertainties while your money is growing. Diba? Yun ang kaganda ng life insurance. Okay, that is the advantages of SSS and life insurance. Okay? So, bottom line, for me, both na maganda, both na may benefits. Okay? So, I suggest, for me, para sa akin, mas maganda kung both na meron ka. Okay? Pero kung gusto mo na meron kang yung fund na nilagay mo or capital na nilagay mo ay nag-grow or lumalaki while you are protected from the uncertainties in life, you should have a life insurance. Because life insurance gives you income protection and also prepares for the uncertainties in life. You can use it as your protection for your family, for your beneficiaries, and also you can use it while you are living, while you are alive. You can depend it. If it is a VUL, you can partially withdraw or totally withdraw your money, your funds. If it is a traditional life, you can loan from your investment, from your policy, and you are protected, and your money is growing, especially if this is VUL. Okay, so that is the blessing or the advantage of life insurance, and you are tax-free. Ang maganda dito sa life insurance, parang siyang it's a package, whole package niya. Because it solves the problem of living too long and living too soon. Also, ito yung mga package niya. It gives you savings and investment, protection, health benefits or health plan, okay, and educational plan, retirement plan, and estate plan. So, yan ang mga nabibigay ng life insurance. The earlier, the better. And, of course, your decision counts. Okay? So, God bless everyone. Be great. Bye-bye.